In this video, we're going to look at writing linear equations. And we're going to keep working with the slope-intercept form. So we're going to work on writing linear equations in slope-intercept. So make sure you put today's date in the top right-hand corner. So given a graph of a line, you can write its equation in slope-intercept. So given most graphs of lines, you can write equations in slope-intercept form. And there's a couple of steps to follow when you're doing that. So steps to write equations. First thing you want to do is identify the slope of the line. So you look at your graph and you figure out what's the slope, what's the change in y over change in x. And remember, that's your m value. After you figured out the slope, then you identify the y-intercept. And that's the coordinate that's where the line is crossing on the y-axis. Remember, that's your b value. And then you just use the slope-intercept form, use the equation y equals mx plus b. So you take a look at your slope, and you take a look at your y-intercept, and you put those together to create your equation using y equals mx plus b. So in class, we're going to take a look at graphs where you're going to write the equations using slope-intercept form.